Ever wondered if you should pay everything with a credit card? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many, and for good reason, as credit cards have woven themselves into the very fabric of our financial lives. From the corner coffee shop to online marketplaces, these little pieces of plastic, or shall we say powerful financial tools, are accepted almost everywhere. Now, let's take a moment to understand why this question is worth considering. Think about it. Credit cards have become so ubiquitous, so commonplace, that it's easy to overlook their profound influence. They're not just a payment method, they're a way of life. In the United States, it's estimated that there are over 1 billion credit cards in use. That's more than 3 cards for every man, woman, and child. And every year, trillions of dollars are swiped, tapped, or clicked away on these cards. The numbers are staggering, aren't they? But they're a testament to the popularity and widespread acceptance of credit cards. Despite their prevalence, the question remains: should you pay everything with a credit card? It's a conundrum that many grapple with. Some swear by the convenience and rewards that credit cards offer, while others caution about the potential pitfalls of overspending and debt accumulation. But before we form any conclusions, it's important to get a comprehensive understanding of the matter. It's not about dismissing credit cards outright or embracing them blindly. It's about making informed decisions that align with our financial goals and circumstances. So, why are we talking about this? Because understanding the pros and cons of using credit cards for all payments can help us make better financial decisions. It can help us leverage the benefits while mitigating the risks associated with credit card usage. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the pros of using credit cards for all payments. So, what are the benefits of swiping that plastic for every purchase? Well, there are more than a handful of reasons why paying with credit cards can be a savvy move. First off, let's talk about rewards and cash back. Many credit cards offer rewards programs, where you earn points for every dollar spent. These points can be redeemed for a variety of goodies, such as travel, merchandise, or even cash back. Imagine buying that much-desired gadget and earning rewards that contribute to your next vacation. Pretty sweet, right? Next up, credit cards are a great tool for building credit history. Consistently using your card and paying off your balance in full each month demonstrates financial responsibility. This behavior is reported to the credit bureaus, which can help boost your credit score. This can open doors to better interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and more financial opportunities. Now, let's talk convenience. Gone are the days of carrying wads of cash or writing checks. With a credit card, you can go from buying groceries to booking flights to paying bills, all with a single piece of plastic. It's an effortless way of managing your expenses. But wait, there's more. Credit cards also offer purchase protection. This means if that new smartphone you bought goes kaput right after the manufacturer's warranty expires, your credit card company might have you covered. Some cards also provide insurance for rental cars, saving you from the extra charges rental companies often push. Last but not least, credit cards can provide a safety net in case of emergencies. Unexpected car repair? Medical bill that can't wait? Your credit card can be a lifeline, giving you more time to gather funds. As you can see, credit cards have quite a few benefits. They're not just a tool for spending, but also a resource for earning rewards, building credit, and protecting your purchases. But like all good things, they come with their own set of caveats. And we'll delve into those in our next segment. So stay tuned as we discuss the potential downsides of paying everything with credit cards. Let's talk about those next. While credit cards offer numerous benefits, they also come with their own set of drawbacks. Let's first talk about the potential for debt accumulation. It's a slippery slope, really. Credit cards, with their simplicity and convenience, can make it all too easy to spend more than you can afford. Before you know it, you're looking at a mountain of debt and a molehill of a paycheck. And it's not just about overspending. Unexpected expenses can also lead to high credit card balances that are difficult to pay off. Next, let's discuss the high interest rates. Credit cards often come with interest rates that could make a loan shark blush. The average credit card interest rate is over 15%. If you're only paying the minimum balance each month, you could end up paying a lot more than you initially borrowed. Picture this. You purchase a television for $1,000 on your credit card. If you only make minimum payments, it could take you over 5 years to pay off that TV, and you'd end up paying nearly $500 in interest. Suddenly, that discounted television doesn't seem like such a steal, does it? Lastly, we need to talk about the impact on your credit score. Credit utilization, or the amount of your credit limit you're using, is a significant factor in determining your credit score. If you're maxing out your credit cards, it could significantly lower your credit score, even if you're making payments on time. Lower credit scores can lead to higher interest rates on loans and mortgages, difficulty getting approved for new credit, and even potential issues with renting an apartment or getting a job. Clearly, using credit cards for all payments has its downsides, but what does this all mean for you? Well, it means that while credit cards can be a useful tool, they need to be used responsibly. The key is to understand the potential drawbacks and to manage your credit card usage wisely. After all, it's not the credit card that's the issue, it's how you use it. We've discussed a lot about credit cards, but what's the bottom line? Well, credit cards can be a powerful tool when used responsibly. They offer convenience, rewards, and a way to build credit. But they also come with potential pitfalls, like the temptation to overspend and the risk of falling into debt. Remember, the advantages like earning rewards, building credit history, and having a safety net are significant. But these benefits are only fruitful if you're disciplined with your spending and diligent about paying your balance in full each month. On the flip side, the downsides such as potential for debt, high interest rates, and the possibility of negatively impacting your credit score if mismanaged are not to be dismissed lightly. It's crucial to take a hard look at your financial habits and situation. Are you disciplined in your spending? Can you pay off your balance every month? Ultimately, the decision to pay everything with a credit card is a personal one. Consider the pros and cons and make the choice that best suits your financial lifestyle.